try this at home, eh?
Thank you. Okay guys, here we have some fans coming to visit us. Hi guys.
Hi.
You preparing?
We have lime here without juice.
So good guys. Today goodness. Johnny cake and Bunjal liver. Hi guys, welcome to the weekend vibes. We're here at Indigo Bay in beautiful St. Martin, and I'm here with the entire crew, and we're doing our usual cooking and chilling. So tell them what we're cooking today, Tiffany.
So on today's menu, we have some nice Bunjal liver with fried bake, and our specialty will be fried shark. Join us guys. Thank you for watching. Cheers.
Chef, you have to say what you're putting in, no?
Masala, secret masala. Chris, I need fire, boy. I need fire. Tak-taki wansani.
Dide Medina Beach. Uno bori jaso. Saya bori. Liver. Liver ng susah ni bro. Johnny cake. Yeah, that's it. And drink the soapy.
Sorry, my mistake. Indigo Beach. St. Martin Indigo Beach. हाँ तो ये बस सजाम उबाप्रिया हेड शेफ तो पकावे है सब मसाला भूंजे है got it oh my god nanti boleh
Yang mungkin saya akan dari makan pasal.
We'll finish this one, no? We'll finish this bowl. We'll finish this bowl. So now he's adding the gizzard, right? The liver. Oh, liver. Chicken liver, that's a fresh one. Fresh from I know. I'm just trying to put it, no?
Oh, you can bowl it.
Fresh, what you preparing there?
This, we have a couple chunk of shark meat. St. Martin shark, eh? Cut in small chunks. We're gonna prep the thing by.
What kind of shark is it?
This, the bull shark.
Lemon shark.
Is it lemon? Oh, it was a lemon shark. Lemon shark. Got lemon shark here. On St. Martin. And just prep
Now
the
it's
thing.
official lemon shark.
See that? See that?
What are you preparing here, Krish? What are you preparing?
We have lime here without juice.
Dry lime.
A dry lime.
And what is this?
This is shark meat. So we're gonna put the lime in it to, you know, the
Take
rank.
out the rank?
Yeah, the rank. We're gonna just stir it and leave it for a couple minutes. And after that, we just wash it out and prepare it back.
How long you gonna leave it to soak in the lime juice?
Not too long, maybe 5 minutes. So.
Okay.
It's lime, no?
Okay.
We just cover it up.
Wanna record here?
How is it tasting? Let me taste. It's good. So we are heating up some oil now to fry some Johnny cake. So the shark is already cleaned and washed. What do you have there?
So we have the green seasoning here.
The good stuff.
Yeah, with all the mixture in. Add it in.
I was just thinking maybe we should just put the shark in the Ziploc.
And then we cannot
It's
mix
too much.
it. Yeah, it's gonna be too much. Can be the flour.
We have the oil for the Johnny cake.
I'll put some So you're just gonna add a teaspoon
Of curry.
of curry, approximately, or maybe a tablespoon.
That's the good stuff right there.
Look at
Yes, sir.
Add some salt.
Seasoning with salt
Yeah.
and black pepper.
So this is a little on experience, yeah?
Maybe just put a little more black pepper.
Yes. chef, man.
Yes, sir.
That curry just brings out.
Yeah, you can smell it, eh?
It smells
You can smell it.
really good.
So we leave this to marinate.
Yeah, like 10-15 minutes. We don't set.
So the dough for the Johnny cake was pre-mixed and brought to the beach.
Here we have the oil heating up for the Johnny cake.
Krishna Kapisa dance.
No, not hot.
Take it out. Take it back out.
Okay, Krish, dance, dance, dance. Maca wine. Pump up the fire.
Where's the heat up?
This was a trial to measure the oil temperature. So we're gonna heat up the oil a little more and then throw in a fresh one. This one will be for Krish.
And Chris, that's gonna come later, right?
That's a whitey.
I'm getting whitening. Whitening.
That is not Johnny cake, that's Susie cake.
You sure it's Susie one?
Okay, guys, the oil gotta be the oil gotta heat up a little more.
Susie cake white.
Okay.
Next 5 minutes, we're gonna see.
And this is how you roll a Johnny cake on the beach without rolling pin.
So you still want to heat a little more, okay?
Oh, still a little more?
Yeah, just a little more.
I'm gonna just throw it, okay?
No.
Good kajal.
So the trick for make it swell, just keep throwing oil.
Have you seen St. Martin kajal? You ready? 1518. Yeah. Come in there.
Getting there.
Right there. Good there, I wasn't standing there.
Okay, it's frying perfectly, and it caused the perfect shade of brown. So we'll take this one off the oil and continue frying the rest.
Perfect one. Hey, is that for your Johnny cake maker?
Yes. Yes, tao.
Hello. Yo, veo que tienes.
Okay, guys, here we have some fans coming to visit us. Hi, guys.
Hi.
You want to give shout out to anybody in Toronto?
Show to the whole of Canada.
The whole Canada. Yeah.
Okay.
Gotta
Yeah.
come down here. Come down here.
It's a must place to visit.
Yeah, because we're going to go home.
You want to go home?
Yeah.
But Mama and Papa want to stay here.
No,
Yep.
we're going home. I'm gonna leave Mama.
You go.
I won. I won. I won.
I told him I have to wait until we get our car.
We could build a rocket ship, fly it to
So here we have the shark and we have the Johnny Cake. And we have Krish and Anita.
So we got it for Brian.
live out the rest of my days in the wilderness.
Oh yeah?
So
This one is nice. This is maybe upper level.
Yeah, that's good. A little bit, not too much.
won't you go?
Sure, just show. Yeah. Want to put some ketchup also? Maybe you can. Okay. Give me your honest feedback. It is just shark, okay?
Do you want to park?
No, no.
You okay?
Yes.
He's looking for his hand. It's hot?
I haven't had fresh shark like this in a while.
How does it taste?
Good. Am I try?
Try it.
No.
You eat shark, right? When you go in the water, they will never bite you.
That means they come so close to the shore then.
You guys want to taste
Yeah.
with him?
Krish?
Fresh. Taste. Cheers, guys.
I'm not a stranger to certain
How is it?
it would seem I'm actually addicted to walk.
Fresh?
I prep it good, eh?
Not different town,
Good?
no one
Need some more pepper.
Let me get it.
There's so much around
It's like a kind of a pickle. Pretty good. I like it.
Won't you
Yum.
Oh, water, I'm good. Thank you.
Where's your mirror? Cheers.
We'll try to reach the sea. Maybe that's
Come take a picture.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
we could build a rocket ship, fly it.
Okay. Thank you.
We put that, that's perfect. Perfect combo.
Take the white sauce then.
No ketchup. No ketchup. This is like ketchup in there already.
Susie Whitey.
It's good. I take it.
Live out the rest of my days in the wilderness with you. There's so much that we
Good?
could see.
Come taste the shark and tell us
Won't you go?
tell us for you how it tastes. Just go with it. Shirley, want to taste the shark? Come.
Now be sharp now.
Fly high above the sea. Maybe we'll have
Maybe a fish?
What's up?
Oh, look up for the nail.
Watch it.
Jimmy, you're looking fish?
Is it good?
Cheers.
It just tastes like fish.
Yes, it
It
tastes
tastes
like
like
fish.
fish or it tastes better than fish?
Shalissa, how was it?
Good.
You want more?
More?
You want more?
It tastes like moist. An empty bathroom, my God. No, it's still there, still there.
Yeah, it's so good. The shark so good it make you want to dance.
Yeah, man. The shark is good, the shark is good. Belly, belly, belly.
You're making mines there, right? Liver with beak.
Don't take all the liver, leave some for me.
Yeah, about it. Take mama. Mom front of the together.
How is it?
Check that. Bong bong, sunny bong.
Oh, the sunny boom.
Okay.
Yeah? You want to
Continue,
take a bite?
continue. That's all.
Let me see what you have in your beak. And the feedback?
Let me eat first, I will tell you just now.
Okay. Shazam?
Hold the pepper. Doesn't need extra. Mama?
Oh,
Let
my
me
turn.
see.
I don't eat much pepper, so I'll just try it. Mama.
Okay, how was it, Priya?
I'm not eating it.
It's good.
It's
Yummy.
not me eating it, no.
Missing anything? Some tomato lettuce?
No? You gotta keep it real. Pure liver and garlic cake. You have to get the flavor of the liver.
Okay.
Ayita, tell him, I'm not eating this. It's not me eating it. It's the little one eating it right now. It's not me, no. I'm not eating it.
Okay, Anita, your turn. How is it?
Very tasty.
Very tasty. Missing anything? Krish?
This passed the perfect.
Pass?
Nothing perfect more than this.
Okay.
Hey, people should try it.
Yes?
Yeah, they should try it.
You recommend it? Johnny cake with
Johnny cake with liver. Liver, right? Liver.
liver.
And masala. Let bake? Yeah, I cannot do it.
I'm sorry.
I have to do it now. After recovery.
Masala, liver, we can't go wrong. On the beach, blue water, white sand, black dog. Delicious.
So white beach, blue water, black dog, black woman, yaman, can't go wrong.
Did you see how it is already?
Check them out. Okay. Go.
It's gonna be not cooked.
Thank you.
Oh, hard. Not soft. It's gonna be hard, crispy. Let me try yours.
No, no, no.
The only regret I guess is for the whole
How is it?
So, guys, it is very nice. The Johnny cake or bake, fried bake with the liver. It is really good. If you never had it, give it a try.
try the whole
And there you go, guys.
liver with masala.
It's
Thank you for
lekker.
sharing your ingredients.
Just like
Lekker.
just like it.
Yeah?
Dankjewel.
Dankjewel.
Well guys, that will be a wrap for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. We had a wonderful time on the beach today with the family. So please hit the like button, subscribe button and the notification bell.
With that being said, we'll see you on the next weekend. Bye.